Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ronin's decentralized exchange, Katana. So first of all, you're going to want to make sure that you are on the right site. It's katana.roninchain.com. And you're also going to want to make sure that you have set up your Ronin wallet and have already signed into it and connected it onto Katana over here. So the first feature on Katana is it allows us to easily swap between the tokens that are available in the Axie ecosystem. If I click here, I can see that there's wrapped Ethereum, AXS, SLP, a USD coin, and there's going to be soon the RON token available. In my wallet, I currently have 0.4 wrapped Ethereum, and I'm going to use that to show you how to swap to something else. So we're going to go wrapped Ethereum into SLP, for example. And I'm going to go ahead and swap a little less than half of what I have. So 0.19 wrapped Ethereum into SLP. And it'll show you right away. As you can see, there's not much difference in the price points here. Very minimal freeze. And for the first time, you're going to need to approve Katana to use your wrapped Ethereum, because that's the first time we're going to be swapping with that. And you can do the same thing with SLP, AXS. You can swap between those. You know, if you need SLP for breeding, or you need AXS for breeding, or you're going to use AXS for staking. It's very easy, very quick. There we go. We got wrapped Ethereum approved, and we're going to go ahead and swap it. And we can see over here, make sure that everything is right. Confirm. I'm going to confirm that. And I'll be getting 11,544 SLP for the 0.19 wrapped Ethereum.
Few moments later.
So yeah, it took just a few seconds, and there we have it. We check our Ronin wallet now. Go to our assets. Voila, it's right there. Same thing. If I want to go to SLP, swap that into AXS, it would be the same thing. So let's check out the other features on Katana. So the next feature on Katana is providing liquidity into the liquidity pool. By adding assets that we have in our Ronin wallet into the liquidity pool, we can be rewarded in a share of the trading fees and RON tokens. So I'm going to show you how to add liquidity into the liquidity pool. Add liquidity. Now we have some wrapped Ethereum, and we're going to select the token SLP. We had some SLP that we swapped for earlier. Now, when you add a certain amount of liquidity, you need to make sure that the other side is equal to the amount that you've added. So if I'm going to add 11,544 SLP in the USD value, we're going to need to add the equal amount in wrapped Ethereum. So I'm going to push max here on SLP, and that's going to be the equivalent of 0.189 wrapped Ethereum. And once we have both sides equalized, we can approve Katana to use our SLP first here. And when you're adding liquidity, you can do wrapped Ethereum with AXS and wrapped Ethereum with USDC coin as well. So now that our SLP has been approved, we're going to supply the liquidity. And you can see over here how much Ethereum we're depositing and SLP, and how much share of the pool that we will be involved in. We're going to confirm the supply.
Moments later.
And there we have it. You can see on the right side here, it's been approved, and this is our position. And that's how much of the pool that we have provided. Now, adding liquidity to the liquidity pool isn't always profitable. There is something called impermanent loss. I have linked an article in the description below that explains how that works. Now that we have provided liquidity, let's move on to the next feature of Katana, the farm, where we can farm our RON tokens. So RON is the ecosystem token of the Ronin blockchain. It will essentially be used to pay for all future transactions. For example, if you want to send an Axie, buy an Axie, or maybe want to swap, there's going to be a small little fee of RON. Currently, the only way to get RON is by providing your liquidity provider tokens into the farm. So 10% of all RON will be rewarded in the first 90 days to liquidity providers. So now let's take our liquidity provider token we got from providing SLP. We're going to go here to SLP/wrapped Ethereum, and we're going to approve Katana to use it. So this is how much we have available in our wallet. And once it has been approved, we're going to go ahead and stake that. So we're going to stake it, max, and that will be approved. And there we have it. It's staked, and immediately we are getting some wrapped RON. And that's going to keep going up. We just leave it in there. As long as we leave it in there, we're going to be getting some wrapped RON in return. So the same way with the SLP wrapped Ethereum, we can also stake AXS and wrapped Ethereum, and we would also be able to get wrapped RON as our reward. So at any point, we can always unstake what we have put in, and the claimable rewards will always stay there. For now, we are not able to claim that. So I'm going to show you how to unstake it. Unstake. Let's say we want to take everything out. I'm going to go ahead and unstake that. Confirm the transaction. And there we have it. We now have our SLP wrapped Ethereum liquidity provider token unstaked. Then we go back to our pool and we will see it right here. We click manage, then we go to remove it. And now we're at remove liquidity. We just put max. And this is how much we will be getting back. We're going to approve Katana to use that. And now we can remove our SLP wrapped Ethereum. I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. And it's going to burn the liquidity provider token. And there it is. It's been removed. We can see on the top right hand corner. I'm going to check my wallet. Go to my assets. And it's all back. And there you have it. That's pretty much all the features on Katana. We have swapped. We have added liquidity. We placed our liquidity pool token into the farm. We then removed it and we took back our liquidity as well. Everything was super easy, super clean. They made it so easy for all of us to understand and use it. I feel so good with Katana at the moment. In the beginning, it was very intimidating, but now that I've done a few transactions, everything is very nice. Thank you guys for watching our tutorial on the Ronin DEX Katana.